Yo, what is up, everybody? Going Fishing 804, back at you again today. Today we out on the chick. Just did a little bit of research, found me a spot a little bit further down on this spot that I'm at right now. It's like a big old pond and you can't see it from the road. There's no way to really access it. So hopefully I'm gonna end up down there and see if that thing got some monster bass in it. But for right now, I'm just doing a little bit of multi-species type of thing out here on the chick. And you know, I'm gonna do what I always do, see what I can make happen. You guys just stay tuned. I ain't gonna talk no more. We're just gonna go ahead and start fishing, all right? Oh, I got one. This is a nice something, nice bluegill or something. Oh, this is a bass. First fish of the day. First fish of the day. A little half-a-pound bass. First fish. Half-a-pounder. A little grub. That's one. Sitting up under this bridge, trying to stay cool. What's up, man? I just caught one like little half a pound right off that little drop off right there, off a little white grub. But other than that, I ain't really had you. I mean, you can't really pitch out right there. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, I'll start right here. We guys heading all the way down there? You going to that little? Yeah. You can reach it from right here. Sweet. Well, I might just link up with y'all and follow y'all in. I mean, have y'all fished it before? Yeah. Is it decent?
Yeah, it's a lot better than this.
It's a lot better than this? Oh, okay. That wasn't too far at all. The worst part. Huh? I'll pull you up right here. Oh yeah, I was gonna go right there. That's fine. Watch out for that.
All right, ready?
Yep. All right, that's good. Thanks, man.
Where are you from around here?
No, not at all. I live in Richmond.
I just found this spot to fish at then.
Huh?
I just found this spot to fish at.
Google Maps.
Google Maps?
Google Maps, I said, oh, damn, this leads to a nice looking pond over there. But I mean, you could see it from 64, you know what I mean? If you look through there, it's like, damn, I know nobody fishes that, you know? And then I found this little path and it led right beside it. I said, I'm gonna just get in the chick, come on up the chick and then get over there. That was my plan for the day, so you guys right on time. At first, I didn't know who y'all was. I was like, is some people following me? Well guys, I done made it to a little secluded pond. It's like right off the chick, but it's secluded. Hey, ain't a lot of people fishing in here, so I met up with two dudes, Nick and Jacob, like in the Chickahominy as you saw. So I mean, this thing's wide open, so we're gonna see what we can do in here today, all right? Look what I have found here. Look at this slab of a crappie. Slab of a crappie. Inhale the crappie slider. Hey. Ain't that thing good? Right up here under the bridge. This thing is fat. That's a hell of a crappie right there. Nice fat crappie.
Another one.
These are some nice crappies. That's the second crappie. Nice little slab.
Another one.
Oh, this is a chain pickerel. Where you going, buddy? All right, chill out, chill out, chill out. Come here. That's a chain pickerel right there. Nice little chainy. I'm gonna eat you. Decent little fish though. Things are extra slimy. I mean, shoot, I could just sit right here under this bridge for the next hour and a half and just go to town.